ago, we were lucky enough to spend the day on this beautiful beach in Sardinia, Italy. Along with 70 members of our closest friends and family, Craig and I were married right there on the sand. Today, we are so thankful to have these memories that will last us a lifetime. We cherish these moments and love reliving the memories together on our wedding anniversary.
Today is Tuesday the 26th of May and it's mine and Kirsty's 2-year wedding anniversary. Unbelievable that it's been a whole 2 years already. So I know that's a cotton gift as a celebration, but given the circumstances, I'm going to go up to the Balti Jaam now to get some pastries for breakfast. Hopefully find something cotton related, but if not, I'll improvise and find something else. Let's go. Having a look around because I know where the florist is and I think that's what I'm going to go for, but I'm just looking for a nice bakery. I've seen a couple of places, one's pretty expensive and I've just looked up another which is supposed to be quite good, I think. Right, this is the place that was recommended on Google Maps, so I'm going to try it. Hello. Do you have any pastries, croissants for sort of breakfast?
No,
or
only muffins and...
Okay. Is there anywhere in the Balti Jaam that has
maybe
croissants or? Okay, a couple of croissants.
Maybe they have.
Okay,
something.
perfect.
Okay.
Tanam, have a nice day. No luck there, but they have just given a recommendation. I need to hurry up, otherwise my wife's going to starve. So this is the place you just recommended. Let's give it a go. Hello. I was just wondering if you have like some croissants and some pastries like for breakfast? Or...
The only croissants we have are with hazelnut and chocolate cream.
Oh, okay, so these ones here. Yeah, could I take 4, please? Success.
Anything else?
Oh, that's everything, thank you.
Here we go.
That's great. Tanam, have a nice day. Thank you. Perfect. Got the pastries, now for a present. I know there's a florist there, but I'm not sure if it will be a bit on the costly side, so I'm just going to look in the market area. Hello. I was looking for something for anniversary. Maybe a single rose.
Very nice. Fresh.
Yeah, I could maybe do that, and one of these.
Yes.
Would be perfect. Tanam, that's perfect. Thank you very much. Tanam, have a nice day. Bye-bye. Perfect. Got the flowers and the pastries. Now time to head back home. Nothing like a trip to the Balti Jaam to cater for all your needs. Got 4 lovely chocolate pastries and flowers. It literally has everything you could ever need there. Back to the apartment, have some breakfast, and then head out to celebrate our anniversary. Got some real nice breakfast.
You're too cute. I'm not even dressed. Thanks, Gorgeous. You're so sweet. I knew you were up to something. Okay, well, I made you something while you were gone. I'm not very good at geography.
Oh, that's really good.
Does it look like Estonia?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Because I can't get you a card, I made you this instead.
Pop into these pastries. One for wifey. One for me. It's the flowers, and here's the drawing of Estonia.
And Craig and Kirsty.
With Craig and Kirsty in Tallinn, and home is with me.
We just woke up to our anniversary and had some really cute messages from both of our mums, which is really nice. And Craig went out to the Balti Jaam this morning, came back with some fresh chocolate croissants and some flowers for me. He's really cute. And I sneakily drew him a picture
while he was out. And our plan is to spend the day at the beach today, so we're headed over to Pirita, using the tram again to get there. And the craziest thing is, for the first time since being here, we're both in shorts. I never thought I'd be walking around here in Tallinn
Single layers.
wearing shorts. It's our tram.
We've just done our little trick of getting the tram from Balti Jaam to Kadriorg Park, and we've just got off and we're by the swan pond. It's so full of life now. It's
So
just
cute.
amazing. So glad we stopped off here on our anniversary.
Yeah, we just kind of took a little walk over here, and then we just saw the cutest mummy duck or grebe, we're not sure what it is, and loads of little babies behind, and there's 13 babies, and they couldn't all keep up when they started hopping on her back. It was so cute. I like this park.
Yeah, should we go to the beach or should we just stay here?
There's our Yandex.
Yeah, there it is. Hello?
You want to rent the boat?
Yes, please. Yeah.
How many hours?
Just an hour, please.
What was it for a rowing boat? 20 euros
Yes.
for an hour?
Yes.
Okay.
Using my Estonian ID.
There you go, a rowing boat. Smooth. Yeah, my turn.
Let's go.
Position.
He was a really lovely guy, but he was a man of few words. He untied this boat, in we stepped, and he walked away, and we said goodbye.
He laughed at us.
We've rowed before.
Oxford.
Yeah.
This is right up there though. Oxford and Pirita, Tallinn.
Got me a husband to chauffeur me around.
2 years and counting. Under the thumb.
Another heron. P for port side and an S for starboard, just in case you're a maritime novice. quirky friend who came to watch. Hello. Oh, I wish I had some food I could share with you.
My glamorous captain.
Managed not to bank us yet. We just got off of boat number 20, proving that 2020 is going to be our year still.
Yes.
We got this. We just came off our little rowing boat. We rode along the river, we took it in turns, we got to fly the drone. There was barely anyone out there other than a lot of nature. We saw
Just us and one other kayak.
Yeah, one other kayak at one point. But mostly it was just herons and some little ducks that were inquisitive and some other birds. But it was, yeah, great hour out on the boat. And now we're going to head over to the beach and have some lunch that I packed in the backpack.
And get an ice cream.
Yes.
Basically, this is us for the afternoon.
Yeah, this is a great place for us to spend our anniversary. We love the beach, we got married on the beach, and we're going to spend our second anniversary here together on the beach. Got some homemade sandwiches that I've brought with us.
If every anniversary it could be beach weather, that'd be great. Thank you.
Yeah, we're feeling very blessed right now.
Yeah. No day at the beach is complete without ice cream. Got these delicious mango sorbet lollies. They are seriously good. €1.50 each. Cheers.
Cheers. Ice lolly cheersing.
They're so good.
I don't know how you can bite them. Does anyone think that's crazy that you can just bite? Can't just bite.
Just with your incisors.
No.
Okay.
What are you, a dentist?
Yeah, okay. Summer plunge! Boat is nearly here.
I'm so excited to go out for a proper dinner. It's not something we usually do as backpackers.
So nice to dress up nicely,
Yeah.
albeit with trainers.
Wow. Yeah. don't show that bit.
You didn't see that.
Yeah. Smart.
Ordered a bolt and he should be here any second. Getting the bolt or taxi past Tallinn Bay, round to the other side of the bay to Noarestaurant, which we've
So
been
excited.
recommended. Looking forward to getting there. Looks amazing on the website. We've just arrived at Noarestaurant for our anniversary dinner. We've heard really good things. We've had a few recommendations from people. A shout out to James, thank you very much for your recommendation. We're here, and also to the people who have recommended it on our channel as well.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're gonna go in.
We're late, so we're going to go
Check
and
it
get
out.
some food.
Ta-da!
No problem. And which name was it?
Craig.
We're excited to be here. Happy anniversary.
Cheers. Happy 2-year anniversary.
And after you. fries with truffle aioli to start. So good.
This is my marbled steak, kale on top, and Kirsty.
My asparagus and potatoes kind of crumble on top.
Tasty.
Yeah, it looks really good.
And our Pinot Grigio. With this view, it just gets better. Let's go outside. Cheers.
Let's go look at the pinky sky.
Now how is that for a sunset? Cheers. Warm enough?
It's chilly out here. And we saw loads of nature, loads of herrings, loads of other little birds, and lots of ducks. And now Craig's happy. Two of his favourite things. He's on a boat and he's flying his drone. Oh, why is it on the side? What's happened? What did I do?
I don't know. Stop it.
How did I manage that?
Stop the camera.